Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to run Steam games as administrator. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and you can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see several options there, and you'll want to click on Library. This will take you to your complete list of installed games and applications. Now, in the left panel where all your games are listed, find the specific game you want to run as administrator. Once you've located it, right-click on the game title. A context menu will appear with various options. From this menu, select Properties. This will open a new window that gives you access to all the configuration settings for that particular game. In the Properties window that just opened, look at the left panel. You'll see several tabs listed vertically. Click on Installed Files. This section allows you to access the actual game files stored on your computer, which is exactly what we need to modify the administrator settings. Next, you'll see a button labeled Browse. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a File Explorer window showing you the folder where your game files are stored. Now, in the upper right corner of this File Explorer window, you'll see a search bar. Click on it and type .exe, then press Enter. This will filter the results to show only executable files, which are the files that actually launch the game. Once the search results appear, right-click on the .exe file that represents your game. From the menu that appears, select Properties. This opens a different Properties window, one that's specific to the executable file itself rather than the Steam game settings. In this new Properties window, click on the Compatibility tab. This tab contains settings that control how the program runs on your system and what permissions it has. Here, you'll see a checkbox beside Run this program as an administrator. Go ahead and check this box. Enabling this option ensures that every time you launch this game through Steam, it will run with full administrator privileges, which can help resolve certain performance issues or access restrictions. Now, this is important. First, click the Apply button. This saves your changes to the system. After that, click OK to close the Properties window. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Steam game to run as administrator, which should give it the necessary permissions to function properly without any access restrictions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.